proudly carrying the colors today. These officers represent a long-standing tradition of service, honor, and commitment to the Council Bluffs community. Please join us in recognizing their dedication. Their commitment to showing up every day reflects strong character, discipline, and dedication to learning. Now that's the way to
for the service they provide to the community as they put their lives on the line every day.
Good morning, guys.
CB Parade. Welcome, everyone. Ooh,
My son played for the Reavers baseball team.
Their family's Eagle staff pulling a flatbed with native singers and dancers. Exemplifies agricultural innovation and sustainability.
Since 1890, woodland life has been dedicated.
Dedicated to elevating our school culture and empowering the next generation of leaders. Every inch of the float you see today was designed and hand-built by our students.